urgent 2 inches of water are currently flooding a dark basement, and a pressurized copper pipe is still leaking. The homeowner standing in that water doesn't want to browse options. They need an emergency plumber right now. But on the other end of that digital interaction, the local business owner is often looking at something entirely disconnected from that physical emergency. They are staring at a dashboard celebrating how many total clicks their ads received today. Optimizing a local campaign for sheer click volume ignores the actual buyers. The default maximize click setting actively trains the advertising system to hunt for the cheapest possible traffic to inflate those dashboard numbers. This animated diagram shows a filtering funnel that illustrates the problem with unqualified demand. When a campaign buys cheap traffic without verifying the searcher's intent, the budget instantly leaks out through these holes, leaving the business with 0 actual inquiries. That leakage happens the moment your ads display to people 30 miles outside your service area, or when you pay for clicks from people actively researching how to patch their own drywall or install their own shingles. High impression share and hundreds of clicks are meaningless metrics on their own. A campaign is only functioning if those digital interactions translate into a specific physical result, a qualified call, a form fill, or a booked estimate. That physical result begins the second a frustrated homeowner picks up their phone and types "emergency plumber near me." This comparative layout shows the 2 distinct tools a business can use to intercept that search. On the left are traditional Google search ads, and on the right are Google Local Services ads. Search ads allow you to target specific keywords and send buyers to a custom page on your website. Local Services ads operate on a completely different system, built specifically for local contractors and professionals, prioritizing direct lead contact and verifying your business with trust badges. Whichever tool you use, the auction factors relevance into every placement decision. The system actively evaluates how well the exact words in your ad answer the specific problem typed into the search bar. Google measures this alignment through a diagnostic called Quality Score. It grades 3 specific things: your expected click rate, how relevant your ad copy is, and the user's experience once they land on your webpage. You cannot bypass a poor quality score with a massive budget. Placement is earned by directly matching your service promise to the searcher's immediate problem. Once that match is made and the ad is clicked, the searcher is transported to your chosen digital destination. This flowchart shows what happens immediately after the click. This is why campaign optimization starts at the destination. You have to physically fix a confusing landing page before putting another dollar into buying clicks. The landing page is the ultimate filter. If the page fails to mirror the exact service promised, your budget is exhausted on people who leave without dialing your number. A successful click on a properly matched landing page eventually triggers a physical action in the real world. The phone rings in your office. This circular data loop represents conversion tracking. It measures real-world calls and form submissions, communicating success to the platform. When the algorithm learns a search generated a verified booking, it uses that feedback to stop bidding on casual researchers and aggressively pursue actual buyers. That data allows you to safely adjust your bidding strategy. Increasing budgets and scaling bids is the absolute final step in the build order, taking place only after your landing pages and tracking are locked in. Without precise conversion tracking in place, the entire system is operating blind. The algorithm cannot distinguish between a click that bounced in 3 seconds and a click that resulted in a $10,000 contract. The entire digital journey resolves here, with a service van pulling into a driveway to actually complete the job. Targeting, ad structure, landing pages, and tracking do not exist as independent tasks. They form a single, rigid chain built entirely around creating that local business inquiry. When every link in that chain shares one unified purpose, you stop paying for the illusion of traffic. Google Ads becomes a predictable engine that turns nearby digital searches into physical business growth.